Hey, this is Scott Rulon here with another episode. But before we go on to the episode, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can receive future videos. So how do you use ClickFunnels in the correct way for your business, of course? So today I'm going to teach you the importance of how to use ClickFunnels the correct way in your business. ClickFunnels is good for entrepreneurs and small business owners. If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur, you know that having an online presence is essential to attracting and retaining customers. But simply having a website is no longer enough. In fact, Russell Brunson said the website is dead. You need to make sure that your website is optimized to turn visitors into customers. This is where ClickFunnels come in. So what is ClickFunnels anyway? ClickFunnels is a software program that allows you to create landing pages, sales page, and marketing funnels. It's an all-in-one solution for businesses of all size, designed to help you attract and convert leads into customers. As you might have guessed, one of the key benefits of ClickFunnels is, of course, ease and simplicity. With the drop and drag editor, you may easily create professional-looking pages without any coding or design experience. You can choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch and create your own custom design. Hey, if you like what you're hearing, please go ahead and click that bell icon to receive future videos. So why is ClickFunnels important to your business? Hey, let me give you 5 ways. Number 1, leads. You convert leads into customers. The ultimate goal of any business is to make sales. But simply having a website is not enough. You need to make sure that your website is optimized to turn visitors into customers. This is where ClickFunnels comes in. With ClickFunnels, you can create targeted landing pages and marketing funnels that guide visitors through the sales process. By using effective calls to action, you can encourage visitors to take the next step. Hey, please go ahead and hit the bell icon now so you can receive future videos. Number 2, website performance. Your website's performance is crucial to its success. If your website takes too long to load or is difficult to navigate, visitors are likely to leave without making a purchase. ClickFunnels is specially designed to help you create high-performing websites that load quickly and are easy to use, High profit, high traffic equals high money. So ClickFunnels can also help you save time and money. As a small business or entrepreneur, you're likely not to have a lot of money to spend on marketing and design. ClickFunnels allows you to create professional quality pages easily and quickly without the need to hire a designer or developer. This can save you both time and money, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your business. Number 4, optimizing results. ClickFunnels comes with built-in analytics that allow you to track your website's performance and see how well your marketing efforts are paying off. You can see which pages are performing well and, hey, which ones need a little help, and make the appropriate changes. This helps you continue to optimize your website and improve your results over time. Tool integration. ClickFunnels integrates with a wide range of tools such as email marketing platforms, payment processors, and CRM systems. This allows you to manage all your marketing efforts from one place, streamlining your workflows and saving you time. Well, I bet what you want to know now is how do you get started with ClickFunnels? But before we tell you how to get started with it, please hit that bell icon so you can receive future videos. So, how to start with ClickFunnels? Starting with ClickFunnels is easy. Simply sign up for an account, choose the plan that's right for your business. Then you can start creating your landing pages and marketing funnels using the drag and drop editor. If you're not sure where to start, ClickFunnels offers a variety of templates and examples to help you start. You can also take advantage of their extensive documentation and support resources, including webinars, training videos, and a community platform or forum. In conclusion, ClickFunnels is an easy tool for any small business owner or entrepreneur looking to optimize their website and turn visitors into customers. With its simplicity, versatility, and integrations with other tools, it's for literally everyone. Hey, if you want to get started on ClickFunnels, please look down below the video here and see the ClickFunnels link so you can start your free trial. Or you can go to my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, and start your free trial there. Thank you so much for listening today. Have you considered making money online? Have you ever considered making money online in your spare time? Consider building a blog or YouTube channel to make it happen. Today, one of the most powerful mechanisms to get people's notice is, of course, TikTok. So partner with me today to see how you can create this profitable side hack. In fact, in case you wanted to know, I support myself and this channel with the links below. Canva, 15 Steps to Building a High-Ticket, High-Profit Affiliate Business. ClickFunnels, of course. A great book by Jeff Lerner called Unlock Your Potential. And a wonderful autoresponder called GetResponse. You can also follow me on social media. You can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and even TikTok, even though I don't sing and dance. And certainly, if you want to go to my blog site, you can learn many topics of financial interest to you. 9 ways to invest in yourself, the TikTok man's 4 tax principles, legendary marketing review, and how to make money with ChatGPT OpenAI. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to you logging in and listening into the future. So please hit that bell icon today.